Welcome to the Postman Tutorials course where you will learn Postman features for productive API testing. My name is Praveen from codewithpraveen.com, your instructor for this course. I had started my career at Honeywell that spanned for 10 years on product development based on C#.NET. Currently, for the last 5 years, I have been working in the security domain for an access control product based on the .NET technology. Moreover, I have published many courses in Udemy on various .NET technologies. This course will provide significant knowledge of using Postman for your next API related task. By the end of this course, you will be able to confidently use Postman for testing API at your current job. I have done the heavy weight of researching and organizing the topics so that you don't need to do that. We will follow the method of using REST API for a simple CMS application. This will help you to grasp the new concepts better by applying the learnings you gain from the course. Some of the topics you learn include getting started with Postman, learn how to send basic HTTP requests using get, put, post and delete for API testing, master sending these HTTP requests that include authorization, header presets, code snippets, Postman console and so on. Knowing collections in Postman followed by use Postman environments to grouping the variables. Some of the other topics include understanding Postman workspaces, getting to know useful features such as import and export of API elements, and so on. As a prerequisite, basic knowledge of API and basic knowledge of JSON is expected. In case you are interested in these topics, you can find the related course under my profile. I designed this course for web developers who work with APIs on the front end or the back end, but struggle with using these Postman concepts. Check out the preview video and hit the enroll button. With Udemy's money back guarantee, there's nothing to lose but everything to gain. Sign up now.